Have you ever wished you could master the piano way faster without feeling overwhelmed? Today, I'm sharing 5 secret steps that'll get you playing something super cool immediately. No complicated theory, no endless scales, just a smooth, easy method I've never shown before that anyone can follow. So by the end, you'll sound like you've been practicing for months. Ready? Let's go. First, let's learn a magic hand shape that'll move us around the piano like pros. Pick a comfortable spot. Let's start with middle C and place your right thumb on C. Your middle finger on E and your pinky on G. That's a standard C major triad. But here's the twist. Lower your wrist slightly so your fingers feel relaxed and natural. Try to find your position. And that's our magic shape. And no matter where we go on the piano, we're gonna keep this shape in mind. Give it a try right now. Touch C, E, and G and feel how your fingers are spaced. Nice. That's your first secret step, the magic hand shape. It keeps things consistent so you can pivot fast without messing up. Now, for the second secret step, a super simple chord inversion. This is how you switch chords smoothly without big jumps. Stick with those same notes, C, E, and G. But this time, shift your thumb up to E, your middle finger or pointer finger to G, and your pinky to C, an octave above the original C. Notice you're still on C, E, and G, just a different order. And that's called an chord inversion. And it's going to make transitions butter smooth. So now let's do a quick practice. Play the original chord, then the inversion. Original C, E, G, inversion E, G, C. Try that 4 times without stopping. Let's do this together. Original, then inversion. Original, inversion. 2 more times. Original, inversion. 1 more time. Original and inversion. Feels a bit like musical chairs, right? But so satisfying once your fingers get used to it. Keep going. Yeah, great job. For the third step, we'll add a very easy but very catchy rhythm loop. We'll use our original chord and the inversion in repeating patterns. On beat 1 and 2, play the original chord like 1, 2, and on beats 3 and 4, switch to the inversion 3, 4. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Let's loop that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice! This is a super quick way to get your hands into a playful groove. And if this is clicking so far, awesome! Isn't it fun? If you really like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will help tremendously. And if you want a small free piano course, you can click the link in my video description. It's a piano course for beginners, yeah, that I created for my subscribers. So if you want, it's totally for free. The link is down in the description. I highly recommend this. It's the best way to start learning the piano. The best thing is that you pause this video now, get this piano course, and then come back to the video so that we can go on. Okay, welcome back. Now, for the fourth secret step, we are going to add a grace note for instant flair. Grace notes are tiny, quick notes you slide right before a chord to give it a bit more professional sound. Here's how. Right before you play your original chord, C, E, and G, brush a quick note like D right under your middle finger. Or you can also choose D sharp. So this is a little easier because you can slide here. Yeah. And then you can land on E. Yeah. First brush D sharp and then land on E. Try this. Yeah. It's a tiny flick. So let's try this. Move your middle finger from D sharp to E super fast, while your thumb and pinky go straight to C and G. Practice that a couple of times. Brush, chord, brush, chord, brush, chord, yeah. Anytime you do that little flick, it adds a twinkle or mini blues vibe. No extra thinking needed. Just let your finger slightly past D sharp, way to E. Great job! Very great. So, finally, the fifth secret step to mastering piano fast is to transition to a new chord with zero confusion. Let's pick something simple, like A minor. It's basically the same shape. Just shift your whole hand up or down so that your thumb is on A. Middle finger's on C, pinky is on E. And here's how to tie everything together. Play the secret rhythm loop, C, for one full measure, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then slide down to A minor and do the exact same loop. 1, 2, and beats 3 and 4 is the inversion. And optionally, add the grace flick note if you want extra color. Yeah. So let me show you one time and then we do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was one round. Let's do 2 rounds together. Ready? All right. 1, 2, inversion, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to A minor. 1, 2, inversion, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. That was round number 1. Now let's do round number 2. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a flick. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, sounds so polished. And you've learned how to pivot chords with minimal movement, how to add a sweet grace note, and how to lock in a super easy rhythm pattern. That's it. Wonderful. 5 steps to instantly sound more advanced than you are. Feels good, right? Now, let's do a final run so you can hear how pro it all sounds together if you keep practicing. These secret steps, chord transitions will feel effortless, and you'll build major confidence at the piano fast. So, when I play this faster and at the left hand, the root note, the C, that my thumb plays, it's C or A, it looks like this. So that's it. You nailed it. Each time you repeat these 5 steps, you're mastering not just chords, but also rhythm, touch, and movement. If you want more tips on shaping your chords or exploring new ways, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here is the next video for you if you want to go on. So thanks so much for being here, and see you in the next one.